Welcome to Psycho Autos. What if I told you your heated seat turning off is actually protecting you from a serious problem? Why won't this thing work? I just want the seat warmer on. The system shuts down automatically to prevent overheating, or even a fire hazard. The most common cause a broken heating element inside the seat. When those wires break, resistance increases and the system shuts it down instantly. Another common issue is loose or corroded wiring under the seat. When the seat moves, the connection cuts in and out, causing power loss. It could also be a failing control module. If the module detects a fault, it shuts everything down immediately. Sometimes the seat is actually overheating, and the safety sensor cuts power. And in some cases, low battery power can disable heated seats completely. Start by checking the wiring under your seat. Look for loose, damaged, or pinched wires. Use a multimeter to test the heating element for continuity. Also check your fuses and relays for any failures. If you hear a clicking sound before it turns off, that's a big clue. It usually means a failed module or a shorted heating element. And if the light turns on then off, it's almost always an electrical fault. So don't ignore it, your car is trying to tell you something. Follow for more quick car fixes that actually save you money.